All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive.
Oh.
This time, we're going to be looking at something that I think a lot of our listeners are going to be pretty excited about.
Yeah.
And that is the Techno Evangelist online learning platform. Now, we've got something really special here. We're not even looking at like the full website or anything.
Oh, wow.
This is like a sneak peek. This is the MVP, the minimum viable product.
Okay.
So this is like the test drive before the official launch. And I got to say, I'm already impressed. They've really packed a lot into this MVP. We've got books, courses, videos, podcasts. It's really amazing.
It's like a knowledge buffet.
It is. I love that. A knowledge buffet. That's exactly what it is. And the best part, it's all free. You can dive into this MVP completely free.
Oh, wow.
So let's kind of walk through what your learning journey might look like with this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So imagine you land on the Techno Evangelist website. You're eager to learn, right?
Yep.
Your first stop is going to be the learn.technoevangelist subdomain.
Oh.
And then you're just going to register. Super simple. Just your name and email. And boom, you're in. They do have an option to sign up for updates, but you can opt out anytime.
So you're totally in control.
Totally in control. Yeah, and that actually, you know what? That brings up a good point.
What's that?
This whole simple registration thing,
Yeah.
it really speaks to, I think, their understanding of user experience.
I see what you mean.
It's like they know that if they make it super easy to get started, people are actually going to check it out.
Yeah, you don't want to scare people away with a complicated sign-up process.
Exactly.
Especially for something that's free.
Exactly.
You want to remove as many barriers to entry as possible.
Exactly. All right, so now you're in, right?
Okay.
You're registered, you're ready to go.
Yeah.
Let's say you decide to check out one of the book courses.
Okay.
So you're going to get access to an online flip book so you can start reading right away.
Oh, that's cool.
Right. But they also give you a downloadable PDF.
Oh, wow.
And get that, it's password protected.
Password protected. I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, I'm seeing it more and more, though. And I got to say, I think it's brilliant.
And why is that?
Well, think about it. It allows you to take your learning offline,
Ah, I see what you mean.
so you can be on a plane, in a park, wherever, no internet, no problem.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That's really appealing for people who travel a lot.
Oh, absolutely.
Or who just like to study in different environments.
Exactly. And you know what?
What?
That actually leads perfectly into my next point.
Oh.
Because they've got even more ways to learn.
Really? Like what?
So we've got audio summaries.
Okay.
You can listen to on your commute, videos on YouTube for people who prefer visuals, blog posts for those who want to go a little deeper, and even related podcasts.
Wow. They really have thought of everything, haven't they?
It's amazing.
I really have.
I mean, it's like they understand that people learn in different ways, right?
Yes. Some people like to read, some people like to listen, some people need to see it. And by offering all these different formats, they're making sure that there's something for everyone.
Exactly. And they're increasing the chances that the information will actually stick.
Absolutely.
It's like they're saying, here's the information, now choose your own adventure in learning.
Yeah, I love that.
And I got to say, as a podcast fan myself,
Me too.
I love that they've incorporated podcasts into the mix.
Yeah, it's a great way to learn.
Yeah.
But, it's not just about passively absorbing information.
Oh,
What else is there?
well, they've also included quizzes.
Quizzes?
Yeah, throughout the courses. And you get instant feedback.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So you know what you've mastered and what areas you might need to revisit.
That's like a little nudge to keep you on track.
Exactly. Exactly.
It reminds me of when I was first learning about feedback loops in psychology. And it finally clicked for me when I thought about video games.
Video game. Yeah. You take an action, you get immediate feedback.
Yeah.
And that helps you learn and adjust your strategy.
Right. Yeah.
It's the same principle here.
Feedback is so essential for learning.
It is.
It keeps you engaged, motivated, and it helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses.
Absolutely. So I guess to kind of wrap things up, what have we learned about Techno Evangelist's MVP? It's all about accessibility, a user-friendly experience, and catering to diverse learning styles through a whole range of formats. This thing really is a Swiss Army knife of learning.
It really is.
But here's something to ponder.
Okay.
What features do you think would make this platform even better?
That's a great question.
Yeah. What would make your ideal learning experience?
Yeah, as you explore the MVP, think about how you learn best. What features resonate with you? What would you add or change to make it even more effective for your needs?
That's a great point. Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We hope you found it as insightful as we did. Now go forth and keep learning.